How to add a gift card to Burger King app. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch a Burger King application from your device and get logged into your Burger King account. Now once you're onto your homepage, tap on this menu bar icon on your middle section and here select a restaurant and choose a meal. Once you add all the things that you need, tap on View Card. And once you're at this page, you have to scroll below. Then here tap on Continue. Now onto payment details, you have to expand this option and make sure that you choose Add a BK Crown card. As you do so, make sure that you have your gift card with you. Enter the number that is on the back side of your gift card, then tap on Save and Continue. If the balance on your gift card is not enough to pay for your meal, it will ask you to enter another card for you. And just like so, all you have to do is tap on Continue, and that way this is how you can use a gift card for your Burger King. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.